Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a brand new feature on WhatsApp for PC, how to star multiple messages in a chat. This is a great way to keep track of important messages and quickly access them later. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the chat where the messages you want to star are located. It could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Now, right-click on any message within that chat. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Select. Once you've done that, you'll notice that the message you clicked on is highlighted. Now, simply click on all the other messages you want to star. You can select as many as you need. When you've selected all the messages, look for the star icon at the top of the screen. Click on it, and voila! All your chosen messages are now starred. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your chats and marking key information for quick reference later. Whether it's an important address, meeting details, or just a special message you want to save, starring multiple messages makes it easier than ever. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to star multiple messages in WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this handy tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.